So, hey guys, thank you so much for tuning in to Simply Steph. That's me. And if you are new here, allow me to say welcome. And if you are returning, welcome back, guys. So, in today's video, I don't know if you can see by the thumbnail because I haven't made it yet, but I have a very special video. I have a little bit of an update, and I just can't say anything but wow. Like, you'll see what I'm talking about. So, if you do want to see what this is all about, then please, by all means, keep on watching. Hey guys, please remember to subscribe if you have not, rate the video thumbs up, and turn on your bell so you're notified each and every time I upload. Thanks. Okay, yes guys, so I know I was a little cryptic in the intro, but and please excuse this. I did a whole different kind of makeup thing, but I don't know, I'm kind of liking it. It's a little pinky, but anyway, we're not here for that. So, yes, I was a little cryptic in the intro, and I apologize. But, guys, remember I said that I was not getting the Jeffree Star beautylish mystery box or anything like that. I could not afford it, especially now that he's dropping his palette tomorrow. So, this Thursday when I am filming, and hoping to get it up tonight. If not, you guys will see this Friday. So, okay, so first of all, let me just say, if you are new here, I am the host of the channel, Stephanie, and all that means is that it's my face you deal with whenever we do unboxings, try-ons, tutorials, you know, product reviews, anything like that. I do have a freebie series. Feel free to check that out. It just explains how I get freebies, and you can get them too. I give you, you know, all the tips and tricks and everything, and even the companies to sign up with. Okay, please remember to rate the video thumbs up. That really does help me out. And for those of you who have been giving the thumbs up, thank you so very much. It's really has been doing its thing. Now, I know I owe you a giveaway. This is something that came in between me, you know, putting up the giveaway video. And guys, I can't even believe this. Like I said, I did not have the money to buy the Jeffree Star mystery boxes or the beautylish box, and like, you know, hubby offered, but I was like, no, because we need it for vacation. And that's why I want to bring you to a little bit of an update really quickly, and then we will get into this. I don't have a lot of time, as I want to, like I said, I'm trying to get this up as quickly as possible so that I can, the next video I can do will be the giveaway video, because we are at 900 and it's staying steady. So yay, thank you guys so very much. Now, that's to all of you. So I want to say thank you to someone very special. I can't say the name. She does not want me to do that, which is fine. It's absolutely fine, and I respect that so much. I have spoken to this person, and I can't thank her enough. You know who you are. Thank you. Mwah. You know, I love each and every one of you guys, and when one of you guys does something for me like this, it's kind of like I don't know how to explain it. It's very hard for me to accept compliments in the form of gifts or even compliments in general. I'm getting better with that, but it's a process, you know. I don't have self-confidence 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. I falter, you know. I doubt myself a lot of the times. So when somebody does something like this, I've done the under eye part of my eyes like 3 times because I haven't even, I cut the box and I started crying. Like this is like the 3rd time I'm filming. So in order for me to get through the box without crying hysterically through the whole video, I'm going to just kind of like focus on the box, and then, you know, I will say my thank yous. But right now, I mean, I did thank the person, and this is just crazy. Someone messaged me and asked me for my address, and I said, you know, only a card, you know, please just send me a card. And we all know why. I've said it a million times. I would so much rather see you guys spend money on yourselves, you know, do your hair, get your nails done, what have you, and then maybe send me a picture. Or that just would warm my heart, because, you know, pamper yourselves, be good to yourselves. You know, that's what this channel is about. It's about building self-confidence and accepting who you are, and, you know, being comfortable in your own skin and being different. It doesn't mean anything but wonderfulness. It's a definition of beauty in my book. So when this person asked me for my address, I said, you know, as long as you're going to send me a card. And they said, okay. Well, I went back over the messages, and they didn't technically say, okay. So, yeah, they got me. Well, I didn't think anything of it, after that. I was like, oh, that's cool, I'm getting a card. And then a couple days later, I got a message saying, your package will be there on such and such a date. And I was like, no, you didn't. Well, it was too late. It was in transit and, So I was like, oh my gosh. I came home the other day and guys, this was sitting on my door. And I was like, guys, I legit was like, oh no, did I sleep shop again? I didn't order anything from Beautylish, not even putting two and two together, like literally not. And then all of a sudden it just hit me. I was like, oh my God, no, she didn't. And sure enough, yeah, she did. So we do have the Beautylish Jeffree Star grab bag. And guys, I can't even say, like, I don't even... This video is going to be a lot of me starting and stopping, and I'm apologizing right now. But I just want to show you, we're going to go over this box. I have not gotten into the box. I just cut it. And like I said, from cutting it in the last 3 videos, I just started bawling. So I don't want to do that because, I mean, it was so happy tears, but at the same time, I don't want to sit here and blubber on camera, So I love you. Thank you so much for doing this. I'm very thankful. I just need to, I guess, get better at accepting compliments in the form of gifts. And I'm so sorry, guys. Okay, just very quickly, the life update. Another reason I'm a little emotional, but I'm pretty much over this now. We made different plans. I am not able to go down to Georgia, and the reason being is because the car that my son had put for me, his car, after taking it to the mechanics, it's not able to drive. He was told, tell whoever's driving this car, do not take it out of the state, do not even take it out of the town. And I checked with a couple people here, and it has something to do with the oil compression or something. I don't know about cars. So that car is no longer on the table as far as an option. So which means I have a fund for a car, and that's it. I didn't have like a vacation fund and a car fund. I kind of made that into a vacation. So unfortunately, I just can't do both. And my car is now leaking oil in the spark plug pan. And I refuse to take any more money from the money I've saved for a new car to put it in this old car. So that's just it. When this car dies, that's that. So I am actively looking for a car again. And I made plans to go down and see my grandchildren and my son closer to Christmas. That'll give me plenty of time to save. I'll be able to either, hopefully with my new car, drive down there, which will save me a bundle, and, spend a few extra days down there, even better vacation, As far as going down the shore, hubby does want to go. He did take 2 days off from work, so that's just a day trip. It's only 2 hours from me. So we are going to go ahead and try that, but I will update you more on that. Okay, sorry. So this, like I said, I did slice it open, but I did not look. It is... From talking to the person, it has, of course, it's Beautylish. And then I was looking at it and I'm like, is it? And sure enough, it is. So, it was verified. She told me. So the label's here. I'm just going to go ahead and open it up, guys, really quickly. Now, I know you've seen these a bunch of times. This one is just very special to me because, like I said, I couldn't get it. And I could have, but then I would have had to dip into money that was for other things. And so, okay. So without me blubbering, and I promise I wouldn't cry, but okay. So this is what the label looks like. We all know, right? So I don't even want to mess that up. Matter of fact, I'm not going to. I'm going to go ahead and pull it out. I was trying to do it like without looking, but there's just no way. My space is too small for that. So let me go ahead. Unless I look up, I could probably look up and then pull it out, I think. Yeah, okay. You guys will probably see before me, but hang on. Let me try and get it. Okay, I think I did it. I think I did it. Yes, and the cover's on there still. Okay, so we do have that. It's a mirror. Yep. There we go. Yeah! Oh, I did it. Okay, so I still have the box and the paper is intact, which is a first for me. Okay, scissors, I'm ready. All right, so we're going to look at the mirror first because it's here. Again, I can't say thank you. I mean, I'm going to be like, thank you the whole video. So let me just say it now. Girl, you are like, wow. And guys, remember I said I have that little book. Well, I have been, trying to do like one a month, sending out just something, just saying thank you for supporting me and, a surprise for you guys. And As strangely as it may sound, this person, my moderator can, vouch for me. This person was the next on my list. So, just saying. So she was getting a package from me regardless, but this came before. She beat me to the punch. So, okay. So I didn't break it. No, I didn't break it. All right. So I don't know. See, I kind of stopped looking at them because I knew I really couldn't get them. So, no way. Oh my gosh. I have the black one, but look at this one. It's so pretty. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Hubby's here. Hubby, look. Look. Remember I have the black one, so now I'm a silver pig. That's so cool. That is so cool. Oh my gosh. I don't have this, and this is wonderful. I have the black one, but it's like, I don't think it's like this is it's very iridescent, as you guys can see my whole messy background there. Yay. Okay. All right. I'm going to stick this here. Oh, I'm very happy. Oh, no, please. Here come the tears. If my makeup comes all over the place, guys, it just is what it is. I'm going to try and not look. I don't know if I can do it. So let me just look here. I got my scissors. I'm going to kind of like look at the camera. Hubby should probably come over here and do this. I got it, babe. I got it. Because it's bubble wrap. Okay, so I'm opening it up. Here we go. Okay. Now I can stick my hands in and pull the stuff out as a surprise. Because I haven't seen anything, guys. So I feel everything, but I'm not going to look down. Okay. All right, so the first thing I see is the Skin Frost in mint condition. I don't think I have this one either. No, I don't. Let me see. Nope. I don't think I had this one. I have to check, but I'm pretty sure I don't. And if I did, I may have given it away in a giveaway. I don't think I do. I'm going to check. And look, you know me. You know right where this is going, on my eyes or in the inner corner. Oh my gosh. Okay, so next thing I'm pulling out is, what is this? This is strange. No way! Okay. Oh my gosh. This is awesome, and let me tell you why. When he came out with his first formula that was crappy, Beautylish gave me my money back, and I didn't get another palette. So that formula is stinky. I tried to make it work. It wouldn't. It's just put up somewhere, and I, never broke out with it again because yuck, you know what I mean? I couldn't get it to work. So this is so cool. I'm so happy because I do have the big O palette, the nudes, we're going to call it. But this is the shimmer nudes, forget that word. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. Yes, because you know me, I love a good shimmer. And look at that pink right smack dab in the middle. That is me all the way through. And I have been really getting into nudes. Like, okay, guys, so hence the look, right? I went to the Dolce palette, but I have this now. And I don't have to worry about shimmers. I have all different color shimmers. I'm so happy. Thank you so much. This is so awesome. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh! I just better not slip and say this person's name. Thank you. I have thanked her a million times and a million times and a million times. So, okay. So I'm not looking. I still can't see because of bubble wrap. Okay. What do I feel here? Okay. So we have the Jeffree Star. I have one open that I'm almost done with, actually. So here we go. We all know what that looks like, right? But look at that. There we go. It's so pretty. It's so pretty. Okay. And it is root beer. I would imagine diet root beer. Yep, diet root beer. Okay, so we have the shade. I don't know what the shade is. No way, purple. Guys, and these are eye safe, right? So yay, purple. Is it purple? I think it's purple. Is it purple? Yes. Okay, so tell me that's not me with eyeliner. Oh my gosh. I mean, I might get brave and do that one day. I'm not above purple lipstick, especially with the purple looks. Listen, purple's my favorite. Pink and purples are my favorite. So here we go. So there you go. I have the Jeffree Star purple palette, so that'll go. I don't have any purple lipsticks to go with that palette, though. That's the thing, because I didn't get any, like, glosses or anything. I just got the palette. Okay, so this is Shane. I may have this one. I don't know. Yes, I do have this one. It came in the pig set that I won from the Not So Evil Stepmother. And so that's that grungy silver, like, smoky look that you could put, like, on the inner part of your eyes or, like, across your lid. Okay, so we have two glosses here. No way! Crystal Kiss. I don't have this one. I do not have this one. Oh. Hold, please, because Stephanie has spastic with this thing. Okay, I got it without ripping it. Yes. I am so happy. This is, oh my gosh. because I was looking on the website with the new release that he's doing tomorrow, and I was thinking, well, he didn't release any glosses. Yes, so this will go perfect with the, if I can get it tomorrow, hopefully, fingers crossed. But that's perfect. I do not have this one. I'm so happy. Oh my God, thank you. I'm so excited. This is like a little kid on Christmas. Like, I just resigned myself to the fact that, okay, I'm just going to have to miss this one. Okay, and this one is Shockwave. Now, I don't know. This one sounds familiar, so I very well may have it, or I may have given it away. I have to look, because you guys know that I did that big 3-bundle giveaway, and I had a lot of stuff put up for you guys. That's so me. That's so me. Oh, come on. Okay, so this is the last thing. Let me move the packaging. Okay. Now listen. I do have this, okay? But it's my favorite Jeffree Star palette. That and the Jawbreaker palette. So I have a backup. So yeah, as we all know, we have the mirror. And I've seen it. I know you've seen it, but I have to show it because this is wonderful. Oh my gosh. And honestly, I mean, this one and the Jawbreaker, these are my favorite palettes. These are my 2 favorite. If I had to pick, I probably would think this one, only because I've used it. I've not dove into the Jawbreaker yet, and that's a shame, and I need to do a look. So Holly, I owe you a look. I know, honey. I can't say your name. Thank you, honey. Listen, I say it every time I do a video. I have the best community in the whole wide world. I really, really do, guys. My nose is running because I'm trying not to cry. I don't know what to say other than the fact that I just want to thank you so much. Okay, so purple. Oh, see? Now I have a lippy to go with the, this is wonderful. So I do have a lippy, and you know, these last forever. Well, not forever, but you know what I mean. And then, not only that, I have more shimmers. You guys, you know how I love my shimmers. Wow. I'm so excited. This was a good box. And then it's got a little bit of everything. I've got all the, like, shimmer colors that I can dream of. Oh, this is just wonderful. I'm so excited. Thank you so much. You know who you are. I wish I could say it. But guys, just know that I appreciate each and every one of you being here, supporting me. It's why I do this channel. Upon chatting with you guys, the more I chat with you, the more I get to know you. I've had a lot of people reach out, you know, if they're going through something. And I've just been so blessed to be able to be there and help whoever that I can. And yeah, I'm just so very happy. Thank you so much. I want to say her name, but I won't. I respect her wishes, so I can't even say thank you enough. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And you know who you are, and this means the world to me. I mean, we were such good friends even before this. We connected. It's like that with all you guys. Like, I connect with each one of you through something different, and that's what makes this whole community the best community. I said it. I would never trade anyone. If somebody offered me a different person, I'd say, nope. I'm keeping my community just who they are. Who comes on board, they're staying too. It's just that simple. All right, guys, listen. This was way above and beyond anything that I could have imagined, and I'm very, very grateful that not just for this, but that I have you as a friend and that you are part of this community. I'm so blessed. All right, guys. Till I see you in the next one. Remember, if you are going through something, maybe depressed or anxiety or maybe afraid of something, what have you, please talk about it. Please don't let it sink in and, you know, stay. It can absolutely fester and it can cause so much more harm. Also, if you're asked to listen, please say yes to someone. Lend them your ear. You could absolutely help them just by doing that. Most of all, in this crazy, mixed up world we live in, to my family members, please, guys, stay safe. Until the next one, see ya. Mwah. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much.